Welcome back. Today we will be talking about some amazing number series that are very fascinating. There is a pattern in those series. For example, if I multiply 1 times 1 times 1, that is nothing but 1 cubed. Alright? If I take the cube root of 1, that is also 1. Isn't it? Now, I can also write cube root of 1 is nothing but 1. So what is happening here? That one is it is an integer, that is a perfect cube. Perfect cube of 1 is 1, right? Same as perfect cube of 0 is 0, for example, and the sum of its digit also forms the cube root of the number. Let's take 8 times 8 times 8, which is 8 cube. If I solve 8 cube, I will get 512. Now let's take the cube root of 512. So cube root of 512 is 8. But there is something amazing is going on. If I add 5 plus 1 plus 2, you will get nothing but 8. So the sum of its digit is nothing but the cube root of the number. We will end up in the same number again. So any integer that is greater than or equal to 0, that is what we are considering in these number series. These type of number are called Dudeney numbers, and it is being discovered by Mr. Henry Dudeney. He used these numbers in his puzzles that he is very fascinating about. He created a series of puzzles. You can search about him, and the puzzles, the famous puzzle is how you can cut a square in a perfect equilateral triangle. Now, continuing with these amazing numbers, there are only 7 Dudeney numbers. Yes, you heard it right. There are only 7 Dudeney numbers. Let's write them down one by one. So number 1, we are talking about cube root of 0. That is a 0, right? Number 2, as we discussed earlier, cube root of 1, which is nothing but 1. Number 3, as we discussed earlier, it is a cube root of 512. So if I add 5 plus 1 plus 2, I will get 8, and cube root of 512 is also 8. Isn't that amazing? Let's try number 4. So number 4 in Dudeney numbers, it is 4913. So cube root of 4913, let's add the numbers. 4 plus 9 plus 1 plus 3. And let's see what we will get. So if you add all of these, you will get 17. And if you want to try in your calculator, cube root of 4913 will be nothing but 17. So can you see the pattern? Now number 5 for Dudeney number is nothing but the cube root of 5832. You can use your calculator or just add the numbers out. So the cube root will be 18, and if you add 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 2, that will also sum up to 18. Number 6 in Dudeney numbers is cube root of 17576, 17,576. You can add 1 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7 plus 6, and you will get 26. And if you find the cube root of this number, that is also 26. So if you know these numbers, if they are there in any kind of exam, it is a quickly you can answer these. So the last in the series is 19683, and cube root of this number is 27. If you add the digits 1 plus 9 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3, that will also give you 27. So these are 7 numbers that are called Dudeney numbers after Mr. Henry Dudeney. And if you want, you can search various puzzles from Mr. Henry Dudeney, and they are quite fascinating, very interesting. I hope you liked this video, and these are very quick numbers that you can memorize to help you speed up the calculations. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.